In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your single leg, ankle, hip and knee stability whilst also being in a forward lean position touching the floor. So I've got a prop here in front of me. This prop is a foam roll. You can use anything of a similar size and shape. It doesn't matter if you haven't got a foam roll. Cones are really good for this, as well as just general objects that are the same size. So what I want you to do is, whatever object you've chosen, bring your feet in the middle of the object and take one step back, and then bring your feet directly facing forwards. From here, you're going to decide what leg that you want to balance on. So for example, I'm going to pick my left leg here. Now, because I've picked my left leg, I'm going to be stabilizing on that left leg, and I'm going to utilize my right hand for the forward reaches. So opposite hand to the leg that I'm balancing, I'm going to lean forwards, trying to keep my balance at all times. I come down, touch the floor, touch the foam roll, and then touch the other side before coming back up. That would be one repetition, and what you would then do is repeat the amount of repetitions you want to do before doing exactly the same on your right leg, reaching with your left hand. So that is how to do a single leg balance drill, working on that forward lean position, touching the floor.